All right. We are back. And today we at another restaurant out here in Florida. The name of this spot is called Four Rivers Smokehouse. Now, I know my trade looks a little funny there because you say, hey, all right, I see you got some corn there, coconut cake, and I have a cup of water. So the main course just came out, and it is called the Texas Destroyer. So yeah, I got this sandwich, which is a brisket sandwich. They call it the Texas Destroyer. A nice soft bun. Comes with onion ring on it, provolone cheese, a little bit of their barbecue sauce, and a pile of brisket. This bun is nice and soft. I'm gonna slide this out the way. Also came with some corn. So you had an option to get a side, the entree, which is the sandwich, a side, and a drink. Or you could get the entree and two sides, and then, add a drink onto it. And then I got this little coconut cake here. It's called a coconut bomb. We're gonna try that out. But I hope I'm not making a mistake. Let's try this corn out. Ooh. Ooh. That's some nice sweet corn with looks like some tomatoes, cilantro. What else is in there? I don't know, some more green stuff. This is really good. And they put a little seasoning on it. I love my seasoning. I like the fact that they leave you a whole roll of paper towel on the table. Let's get into what y'all really came for. Yes. Good old brisket. Look at that. We get it up out of this wrapper. Oh. All that brisket in there. Oh, it has some jalapeno in there too. Alright. Let's try it first without any sauce on it. Hold on, let me try a piece of this brisket first without anything. Brisket. Oh man. Nope. If the rest of this sandwich tastes like that little piece that I just ate, I'm gonna be highly disappointed. That little piece was extremely dry right there. Let's get a good bite. That was the worst introduction ever. I'm gonna give it another bite. Maybe I'm tripping. Give it another bite. And then, you know what? I'm gonna give it two more bites. I'm gonna try it again without the sauce on it. You know, just the way they made it. And then I'm gonna add some of their sauce, some of their signature sauce to it. Yeah, this is the worst brisket I ever tasted. Yeah, this is terrible. I'm gonna try it with the signature sauce. Hopefully that makes a difference. Actually, let me get a little dip first, see what that's like. Even the sauce is basura. But we're gonna pull, gonna get this brisket all wet, because that thing was super dry. Let's see, maybe this will help. I'm so, so, so disappointed right now. I really wanted to like this sandwich. The best thing about this sandwich is the bread. Yeah, yeah. I I can't eat no more. That's trash. It's calm, it's fire. That brisket need to go in the trash. Now, I did something wrong. I'm kind of, uh, 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 I'm kind of upset. But you know what? No, no. There's only one day, guys. Only one day. I gave in. I caved. It's been a couple of months. I haven't had any soda. I walk into this place and they got my favorite soda of all time, Cheer wine. And you know, in my area where I live, there's no cheer wine in any restaurants over there that I've been to. They don't have the cheer wine on tap. They don't have chill wine in the bottle or in the can. So they got chill wine on tap here. I had to go for it. Let's see. And they got the little Chick-fil-A ice cubes. Oh, that's so good. I can't. Okay, I'm gonna drink just this and then I'm off the soda again. But from that, that's how you make an intro right there. Whew. Oh yeah, chill wine. Better go get you some. Almost forgot. I still have this coconut cake here. Let's see. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. It do smell good in here. The smell is amazing. But that brisket, it's not the way. Yeah, I smell my food all the time. I smell my food. Coconut bomb. I forgot to get a fork, so we're gonna use the corn spoon. Corn spoon. Alright, let's try this out. That cake is a little thick there. That's a little thick there. Let's see. I don't know how they call it a coconut bomb, but ain't nothing inside. A bomb, you're supposed to have like a little custard or something in there, but ain't nothing in there. Maybe it's deep within. Alright, let's try this out. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, let me try again. What was that? Oh. Okay. Hold on. One more time. So it is some type of cream inside of there. The cream is the same color as the cake, so you can't really see it. But so this is a coconut cake with some sort of vanilla cream inside. Yeah, it's like I don't know. I really can't tell you. I do know it's vanilla though. I don't know if it's it got almost a custard consistency, but still like a cream consistency. It's weird. They must have made this themselves, but it's good. That's good. So now that that's over, what do I think? What's that, man? That's bread pudding? I should have got the bread pudding. This is slapping right here though. This coconut. Yeah. So it seems like their desserts is slapping. Yeah, but their entree wasn't on point at all. Okay, let's get to it. So I'm gonna have to give them. I gotta give them a 3, y'all. I gotta give them a 3 out of 5. Excuse me. I think a 3 is fair. That's right in the middle. And I don't know, maybe the cook back there is having a bad day or something, but that brisket was not it at all. The bread was good. The provolone cheese was even good. But, and their signature sauce is weak. I'm sorry. And if they put that signature sauce on that brisket, still would have been weak. It looked like they had a smidget of that stuff on there. But that's what it is. It's gonna be a 3. So the corn was out of this world. I love that corn was good. I never had corn with like all that extra stuff inside, whatever it was, like tomato, cilantro, and some other green stuff. I never had corn like that. So I think that was good. The cake was slapping. That coconut bomb cake. So if you ever come here, make sure you pick that up. So pick up the coconut bomb cake, pick up the corn, and then pick up that cherry wine. Uh, the brisket, they could have kept that. That's it, guys. I'm giving them a 3. That's what it is. Till the next time.